People often complain about not manifesting the right person or right relationship. We often complain about, okay, my manifestation is not working. I'm not attracting the right person. I have healed myself. And, like, but there is something that you don't realize, which is your patterns. We all have some kind of patterns to break, whether it's our own behavior patterns or relationship patterns or any kind of patterns. We all have some kind of patterns that we need to break time to time. Okay, so if we are not able to manifest a right relationship or right person, maybe you have a pattern that you need to break. So in this episode, we are going to talk about patterns. How can we break those patterns so that we can move forward in our journey when it comes to finding and attracting the right person? So, without any further delays, let's get into the video. The most powerful sign of pattern is you complaining about situations. Like, for example, why am I attracting the same kind of people where I'm just being nice? I'm like, I'm doing the right thing. Then why am I attracting the same kind of people? Why the same things are happening? Why things are, keep happening in one particular way? If you are complaining, then it's a sign that you are coming to this realization that something is repeating itself. Something is not changing. No matter how hard I try, no matter how much effort I put in a connection, in a relationship, it's repeating. So this self-realization that you have, that something is repeating, something is not changing in a positive way. No matter no matter how much I have healed myself, the self love and all these things that are like, I have done all these things and still things are not changing. If you find yourself in this situation and if you feel that something is keep repeating, is it's not changing, then it's a sign that yes, you might have some pattern that you need to break. And having this self realization that something is repeating itself is a sign from universe that yes, you need to break a pattern. It's like universe is giving you hint that hey, there is some kind of pattern that you need to break, and you are on the verge of breaking that pattern. Now, this was about realizing and understanding that something is repeating, something is not changing. No matter how hard we try, no matter how much efforts we put in our connection or in our relationships. So this was about the realization. It's like, you are getting sign from universe. But then what? How you are going to deal with this pattern? It is the most important thing. Ask yourself, what is that one thing that is keeping you in the same situation? Why you are choosing something again and again which is not good for you? Like deep down in your heart, you know that this is something that I don't want. This does not make me feel happy. This is not soothing to my soul. Ask yourself that why am I choosing the same thing again and again when actually I have the choice, when actually I have choice to choose something else, to choose something which is better, not in a superficial way, like choosing something that is good for my mental health, choosing something that is soothing to my soul, choosing something that is coming from my heart chakra, that is coming from this, like feeling like home. Okay. So ask yourself that why am I choosing something again and again when I already know the truth? When I, like ask yourself that what is that one thing that is keeping me in this same situation? Why are you choosing something that is not good for you? Forget about karmic relationships, soulmates, twin flames, and all these titles. Okay, forget about all these things. When your inner child does not, when your inner child reject someone, it means that that person is not the right, that person is not right for you. With the right person, your inner child would want to open up. you know your playful side, your this creative childlike playful side would really like want to open up, and express their feelings, that you know how we are, like when we are in that childlike energy. So when your inner child reject someone, or when your inner child, where observe yourself, if your inner child is not, opening up with someone, it means that that relationship or connection does not have that depth. It's not coming from the heart chakra. Okay, there is a lack of emotions, there is a lack of this depth. Okay, so whenever your inner child rejects someone, it's not the right person for you. Okay, forget about this titles, karmic, soulmate, twin flames. Forget about all these titles. Okay, so in order to recognize and really break those patterns that you have in your relationship, in your connections, you have to go inwards and really ask yourself some difficult questions, that why am I doing this? Like, why am I choosing this kind of people? Why am I accepting this kind of people? Why am I accepting this kind of behavior? Universe is not like forcing you to accept anyone or anything. Okay, you always have your free will. Okay, you always have. We are never stuck in any situation. It's our own choices that keep us stuck in the same situation, in the same loop. We always have a choice. But if we are not making that difficult choice, then ask yourself why. Whenever you feel that The same things are keep happening in relationships, in connections, and you are getting hurt. Really, really ask yourself that, do I look good in this situation? Do I really deserve this? Am I making myself feel happy? Is this something that I really want? Is this something that really like my heart, my soul wants? Am I like, do I really look good in this situation? Ask yourself, okay? These questions will give you the answers that you know, that you are finding for a long time. Ask yourself that, do I look good in this situation? Do I really deserve this? Like, whatever I'm doing, like my behavior, my actions when it comes to relationship connections, like my behavior, my actions, whatever I'm doing, is it like really aligned with who I am? Is it really aligned with the kind of person that I want to be with? Ask yourself. Sometimes what we do, we put this rose colored glasses and we try to see people like, oh no, they are not like this, they are like this. No, in reality, they are like, we are trying to change people's identity and try to make them look good. Okay, so don't put rose colored glasses that, okay, this person is not this way, they are this way. No, they have already showed you that they are this way. So don't try to change. Okay, accept people as who they are. Okay, accept people as who they are. So if you really want to break any patterns that you have in your relationship, then start working on your thoughts, the way you think. Start working on your mindset. Reflect upon your choices. Change the way you behave in a relationship, change the way you act. Once you reflect, once you do that self reflection, you will realize that there was something that you were doing was wrong. It's not like that you are hurting someone. It's more like you are hurting your own self. You are not choosing yourself, because when we choose ourselves in any situation, it's coming from the place of self love, self respect. So if you're not choosing yourself, you are actually not giving yourself that love, that respect that you deserve. Sometimes the only thing that we need to do is to choose ourselves first, choose our self respect, knowing and realizing our self worth. And when you make choices from the place of self respect, from the place of self love, from the place of, like self worth, you will attract the right person, you will attract the right relationship. It's about you choosing your own self first. Choose yourself. Once you do that self reflection, you will realize that You are not choosing yourself. Yeah, so that's all I have for this episode. If you guys have any suggestions regarding, any relationship pattern, or you want me to talk about any particular pattern, then I would love to do that. Please comment down in the comment section. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next episode, next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.